Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be a little bit, we're not gonna work on the cars today. I'm gonna have a review on this wireless keyboard I got a couple days ago. And basically I bought this one. It's have the touchpad and the keyboard itself, because I have a PC hidden underneath the cabinet in here. And that's basically what I'll usually use as when I need to surf the internet or open Netflix or Hulu or any internet surfing I need on the TV. I'll be using that for. So my old one, it's stopped working, and I decided to buy this one, and I wanted to show you. I have actually opened it before and I checked it out, and but that's when you buy it, that's how you will see. Basically, this is what the box looks like. It's the Blackweb wireless touch keyboard, and it's have the touchpad with the keyboard itself. Okay, first thing first, on the side there's of course tape. You need to take that off. Actually, I opened this side. So when I opened this side, there was 2 batteries in here, and that's you will be use that inside the keyboard, and also this one in here. This is where you can where you need to hook it up in the back of the computer. So, coming like this, there is a warning in here written on the plastic itself, and basically what it says, it's warning to avoid danger of suffocation. Keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in curves, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Anyway, so definitely that's how it looks like. Pretty simple. Keyboard, touchpad on the side. On the back you will have the power switch in here. Also, what you'll get in the box, I'm not quite sure, I don't remember if it was inside with the keyboard itself or just in the box. There's a small manual and some small paper, warning stuff. Anyway, so the manual is useful. I didn't look at it, at the beginning, but then I figured out some other stuff that I didn't know about. Most importantly, it's basically what the touchpad will do, how you can do a left click and how you do a right click. I'll get into that later. Okay, battery in. Toggle it to on. Now the light is red because the USB part is not connected. So we'll go to the back of the computer and we'll plug it back in there and we'll connect and see. Okay, battery is on. It's on. Anyway, when you first time turn it on, there's the button in here for the connection. You just press that, and as you can see, the light will be blue. That means it's connecting. This is for the num lock. So anyway, as you can see, the TV in here. I'll go ahead and basically start working on it a little bit. Nope, you're not going to see my password. And by the way, the keyboard is very, very light, which is something good. Okay, so basically, touchpad, it all works. Now, basically, with this one, the one thing I didn't like, there's no actual touchpad buttons in here. So basically, if you look over here, there is no touchpad buttons. So the way that will work is you can either do double click to select, which is basically one click is a click, and double click to open. And if you want to right click, you can basically 3 fingers and you will have right click menu. As you can see, the normal click is just tap, 3 fingers is where you have the right click, that's one of the things that I benefits of looking at the manual. Now originally when you look on the keyboard itself, the numbers in there, touchpad in here, and if you look over here, you need to have the function button. To have right click, you have to have the function and this Windows button to have a right click, or function and left to do that. To me, that's a downside. I would really prefer if there's any, touch buttons, or if they put it in the bottom like a laptop, but yeah, that's what you get with this one. Otherwise, it works properly. I had it for a few days. I didn't have any issues with it. It's just a side I don't really like too much, the touchpad with that. So that's pretty much it. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.